In this video, I'll show you how to download and add custom fonts to CapCut on your mobile. So the first thing you need to do is just head over to an internet browser and you need to come to the website dafont.com. Now from this website, you'll have thousands and thousands of different fonts to choose from. So you'll simply need to go through the website and find the font that you like the look of. Once you've found the font that you like, scroll all the way to the right-hand side and then click on the download button next to the font. Then confirm by pressing download. And as you can see in the bottom left-hand side, we'll have this blue downwards arrow. Click on this and then select downloads. Then all you need to do is select the zip folder that's just downloaded. And this will take you over to your downloads page. And as you can see, this is currently a zip file. So we're going to need to unzip this. So to do that, just click on the zip file like so. That's going to go ahead and create a folder with all of your text files in. So now all you need to do is head over to the CapCut application. Then you need to head over to your project and select fonts from the navigation. Once you're on this fonts tab, click on add font. Select the plus icon. From the bottom right-hand side, click Browse. Then click Browse again in the top left. Select Downloads. And then from here, you'll just need to locate the font file or the folder depending on where you downloaded it to. So as you can see inside of here, we've got all of our font files. So it doesn't matter too much about which one you select. So just go ahead and click on one of these fonts. Select Open. And as you can see, that's now added it to the CapCut application. So now that it's been added, we'll be able to continue to use that font. Even if we close out of the application, you won't need to add this again. It's in here permanently now. So it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you add custom fonts to your CapCut application. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below and I'll see you in the next one.